YouTube, what's going on? Weekend Gardener. Got a package today. Order. Let's see what we have. I've never ordered anything this small from online nursery. I was kind of unsure of how many to buy also. So here's the 3 Alpine strawberries. These are the white strawberries. Oh no, take that back. These are the Snowbank white blackberries. Nice. Nice packaging. Good thing is I was going to prep some dirt, but I can leave these in here for a while. I may take them outside and let them overwinter, but not the Pineberries. But these 2 are my Pineberries. I'm going to leave these in the house for now. Put them in the windowsill, let them do their thing. That's pretty cool. I don't have to mix up any dirt. Today is the 2nd. Ooh, these got some bite. I just got bit. Today's the 2nd of November. And these are definitely going to go outside so they can get some chill hours. Okay, these got some thorns on them. So that's where the bite came from. Snowbank white blackberries. 3 plants. Alpine pineberries. No, white pineberries. I don't know why I keep saying alpine. But these are the white pineberry strawberry plants. 2 and then 3. Short little video.